Hey there, it's Jane Harrington here with Stampin' Up. I got my paper pumpkin in today. This is my February box, so I'm going to open it up. This is my unboxing video. The name of it is Lovely Day, February 2020. So when we open it up, we have our Celebrate Lovely Coordination. What this is telling us is that this box coordinates with this stamp set, the Happy Birthday to You. You can get that stamp set for free with a $50 purchase. So if you spend $50 with Stampin' Up, you can choose that for free. See, there it is right there. During Celebration. Celebration is a special time of year for folks at Stampin' Up because we got lots of good free stuff. All right, real quick, we have the Rococo Rose Stampin' Spot. Every paper pumpkin kit comes with a free Stampin' Spot and a stamp set. This is a beautiful one. You can see the flower there. There's the birthday cake. And what does it say? There's congratulations. You're a great reason to celebrate. Have a birthday. And we're, birthday wishes. There we go. I knew there was missing something. So there's the stamp set there. Let's open up our paper pumpkin and see what we got. So every kit has a very special project and it's themed by the month. This one says Lovely Day. So you can see here, these are the different cards that you can make in this kit. Some kits are cards, some are decor, some are gift packaging. And I'm doing this one-handed, which is pretty impressive because it's not easy to do when you're holding a camera. So, here, unboxing. There we go. I got it. Oh, these are adorable. Look here. Cute little pretty pink sequins. So we've got sequins. We've got our Stampin' Dimensionals that let us pop things off the page. These here look like there's a die cut in there. So I haven't looked at the individual thing yet, but that's really beautiful. Oh, here's some more with die cut there. So these must be focal points on the card. Here's some envelopes with really nice little edge there, see? And, oh, there's something in here too. These, it's hard to kind of see, but these are, oh, I had it turned around. Celebrate, wishes, lovely. So they're words. And look, they pop up, kind of like dimensionals themselves. That's really cool. I've never seen those before. Here are some card bases. You'll notice they have the folds already in them. So you can fold it over. Here's some more. Down here. Oh, card bases. Those are beautiful colors. Look at those colors. So in the back, here are the instructions. These are, there you can see those focal points that pop out that I showed you a minute ago. Now, they give you the instructions for how to make these cards. Here's the instructions right there. It even gives you a little ruler at the bottom. Everything comes in your kit, adhesives and all. All you need really are a pair of scissors. I always carry a pair of scissors with me everywhere when I'm doing my paper pumpkin. Here's the rest of it that was underneath. There's some glue dots. And here are some die cuts. They look like little banners. So everything comes to make these cards. And you also have some extra embellishments and things. So you can really do them the way you want them. You know, you don't have to follow the directions. You can step outside the box, but if you are not comfortable with stamping, if you've never crafted before, this is a really great way to start because you can build up your kit. You can get stamp sets and your inks, one per month, and it builds up your supplies. The great thing is this kit, as you can see, coordinates with the free one. So run out there, subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. I will tell you, I just read next month's Paper Pumpkin, they're including 2 stamp sets. Yes, 2 stamp sets is awesome. So run and subscribe at paperpumpkin.com. If you need a demonstrator, I'm H. Jane Harrington in Pinson, Alabama.